Oh boy, this one's a tough one. So the president of the J3As, the Jamaica Athletics Administration Association, Dr. Warren Blake, has suggested that ISA take a page out of the books of a number of major sports organizers and consider the option of staging the 5-day National High School Boys and Girls Championships without spectators, if necessary, to avoid spreading the dreaded COVID-19 that has been wreaking havoc in parts of the world. Blake is a medical practitioner, by the way, and he said, given the rapid spread of the influenza-type virus, the lack of exhaustive testing by health authorities in the U.S., and where a number of fans are expected to travel for the event, so he's putting it in perspective. Yes, we'll say, oh, Jamaica doesn't have it, but for champs, we have a lot of people that come from overseas. It would be best if they erred on the side of caution when dealing with the virus that can be spread by person-to-person contact. ISA says they're not sitting back idly. They've started to discuss the situation. Meeting of a newly formed committee will be held tomorrow to determine the way forward. He says there's a specialist who's advising them, and they're in the process of setting up a committee led by that specialist and other stakeholders, including the Ministry of Health. Champs has been staged without fans in the past, by the way. The most recent being 2002, when it was held at G.C. Foster College, which at the time had no spectator seating. You know, some tough decisions have to be made when it comes to COVID, and that's just how the cookie crumbles. Tourism and health have had to take some tough decisions as far as the cruise ships are concerned. Champs, some tough decisions have to be made as well. Do we cancel champs? Do we say, well, people are overseas? Well, you're going to know if them come from overseas, so come a champs. That's the next thing.
Unless you're quarantined, or not quarantining,
Well,
but if you're checking everybody.
I can have 2 passports. So.
No, but I'm saying checking everybody at the gate, but that doesn't mean that the virus isn't there, because you can't always detect it right away.
I don't know.
Well,
the best we can hope for is that in the next 2 weeks, we hear something a reverse with corona. That's all I can say, because if it keeps getting worse and worse, champs.
Well, several competitions have locked it down, and we could watch it from our homes on our screens. If that's a precaution that we need to take, then let's do it.
We have to. We have to.
Let's do it.
Yeah.